x plus c, then y cube d2y by dx square, we have to find it. Let us take the new slide. Here, y square is equal to ax square plus 2bx plus c. Now, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus 2b. Again, differentiating with respect to x, we get d by dx of 2y dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2ax plus 2b. So what we get if we do, again we use the product rule, 2 will cancel throughout. So or we keep to it like this only. So we get 2 dy by dx into dy by dx plus 2y d2y by dx square. Here what we get is 2a. So if we remove 2 throughout, we get dy by dx whole square plus y d2y by dx square is equal to a. Now what we do, we multiply with y square throughout the equation. So we get y square dy by dx whole square plus y cube d2y by dx square is equal to ay square. Now what we require the value of y cube d2y by dx square is ay square minus y square into dy by dx whole square. So now already we know y dy by dx, already we know, I'll write it here, y dy by dx is equal to ax plus b. So y dy by dx whole square is equal to ax plus b whole square. So we substitute that. Y square is how much? Ax square plus 2bx plus c minus what is y square divided by x? Ax plus b whole square. So what we get finally? We get a square x square will cancel, 2bx will cancel. You get ac minus b square is the value of y cube d2y by dx square. I repeat once again, y square equal to ax square plus 2bx, differentiating with respect to x both sides, 2y dy by dx equal to 2ax plus 2b. Now d by dx of 2y dy by dx can be written as derivative y is dy by dx, 2 dy by dx into dy by dx plus 2y d2y by dx square is equal to 2a. 2 you remove throughout, dy by dx whole square plus y d2y by dx square equal to a. Multiplying by y square throughout, y square dy by dx whole square plus y cube d2y by dx square equal to ay square. Now y cube d2y by dx square is ay square minus y square dy by dx whole square. A, what is y square? Ax square plus 2x plus c. But what is y square dy by dx whole square? That can be obtained by equation number 1. So y dy by dx is ax plus b, y dy by dx whole square is ax plus b whole square. If you substitute it, we get y cube d2y by dx square is ac minus b square. So option A is correct.